Kruger 3638 refers to both a historic steam locomotive and the restaurant named after it, both located at Kruger Station in Skukuza Rest Camp, Kruger National Park. Kruger Station as a whole. Kruger Station is a lifestyle precinct in Skukuza Rest Camp, positioned along the historical Shalati line. It includes the 3638 restaurant, Round in 9 bar, Departing Soon cafe, and en route grab and go. It's a great stop if you're visiting the Kruger. The restaurant. Restaurant 3638 sits within the Kruger Station precinct, a station structure built in the 1980s to house the heritage train at Skukuza. At the helm is consulting celebrity chef Andrew Atkinson. The menu celebrates South African cuisine with dishes like Venison Bobotie Samoosas, Kudu Bobotie Pizza, butter chicken bunny chow, and a Game Shisa Nyama sharing platter, all in an easy boutique lifestyle dining setting. The locomotive. The SAR Class 24, number 3638, is a South African railway steam locomotive built in 1949 by the North British Locomotive Company It was part of a fleet of 100 Class 24 locomotives designed under the supervision of Dr. M. Loubser, the Chief Mechanical Engineer of SAR, featuring a 2-8-4 Berkshire wheel arrangement. These were built for branch lines with a lighter rail infrastructure. As dieselization advanced, number 3638 was phased out of service but found new life as a static display in the heart of the Kruger National Park, originally at the Shalati train station restaurant near Skukuza and now permanently at Kruger Station.